Victorian tiles in Edinburgh? Cracked, stained and faded? Here's the solution. Victorian tiles are a stunning feature, but time can take its toll. Cracks, fading and layers of grime can make these beautiful floors look neglected, but they're not beyond saving. We specialize in restoring Victorian tiles, removing deep-set dirt, carefully repairing damage, and bringing their original patterns back to life. If your Victorian tiles have lost their charm, let's uncover their beauty once again. Give your floors the care they deserve. Call 07533 873 476 or visit our website today.